I bet not many of you know what this is. If you don't, it's a 1972 Mercury Comet GT, something you do not see every day. And if you do see them, they're definitely not in this shape. This one's just absolutely beautiful, built motor, show quality finish. But most of the people at our dealership, been around cars all their life, never seen one before.
I've never seen one. I seen a picture of this thing and it was for sale, and I'm like, dude, I gotta have it. I've just never seen anything so clean and crisp in a freaking Comet GT.
Yeah.
This is a real GT as well, okay?
Gorgeous black paint.
They did it, I'm sorry, they did it to factory specs. I mean, 302, but they went ahead and 302 3-speed, they left the 3-speed. They put aluminum heads, just a complete built motor. I'm really excited to drive this one.
Yeah, once you pop the hood, it just kind of tells you everything you need to know about the quality of this car. I mean, the finish underneath the hood and around the car as a whole is just
Dalton,
excellent.
if they go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, check out the floor pan pictures too. It's all painted gloss black underneath as well. Just a beautiful kind of a rotisserie restoration.
it might be the nicest one out there, being that
there's no doubt. Best color combination too. I love the silver Comet GT stripes. I love the hood on it.
aluminum heads.
Yeah, look at the paint quality on the inner fenders. It's got the little stickers back there as well. I mean, just along the firewall quality. Looks like new wiring back there as well. Don't forget that tucks right in here, D.
Yep.
I love the Ram Air hood with that flat black stripe on the hood as well.
That's cocky.
Back of the hood lines up great, fits nice and flush. Eyebrows, hood chromes, all original, still in great shape. The bumper's all been re-chromed. I love the front chin spoiler.
I like the wheels with the Mercury caps on there.
Yeah, the drums are painted blue. I liked it. Michael wanted to change it. I'm like, man, let's just leave it alone. The gap is perfect. The bottom of the fender, door, rocker. The door fits in great here to the dog leg in front of the quarter. Just a little peek of the underside of it. If you've wanted one of these, like I said, this is the nicest one on the market. I guarantee it. And the best color combination. Love the wheel size, just fits perfectly. The flat black on the back is excellent. New gas tank, new rear bumper. Back glass, back package tray, top of the back seat's excellent. Corner of the door is rust free. All the interior is just gorgeous. Same thing with the dash, the wood grain steering wheel, wood grain on the door panels. Seats are perfect. I love the shifter. AM factory radio, aftermarket gauges, nicely put in there. You can always get rid of them if you want. Dome light works, headliner is nice. It has been replaced. There's a couple little wrinkles in it, nothing bad. Carpet, seat belts, got the retractables in the back. Door panels, door jamb paint's beautiful. Inside the trunk, look at this.
You don't get any better than this one.
No, it's nice. Very, very nice. Again, the front of the door, back of the door lines up nice. Quarter panel is awesome over the wheel lip molding. Inside, the inner wheel wells are all painted black as well. Again, overly restored one, really.
Yeah, it is.
You can shave anywhere in the paint. Top of the cowl lines up nice there. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Top of the door panel paint's all excellent as well. The seat has a rub through mark. It's gotten really soft vinyl, almost a Naugahyde. Anyway, right here is rubbed through just a little bit, not all the way through the cord, but so this one, D, has, what were they saying about the clutch? It's got a
two-stage clutch now, like a higher performance clutch.
Okay. And you almost have to, those aluminum heads.
Yep.
Factory 3-speed. Nice long throw.
The 302 sounds wicked too. Really good oil pressure. At an idle, you're carrying 50 pounds.
And that's at 190, so that's really good. Horn works. Don't know.
Heater fan. Wipers work?
Yeah, but I don't know about the heater fan. Just saying no on the heater fan. It's all there. It's just the fan switch must be bad. Gas gauge works. Aftermarket Ford tack up here.
Have a really neat dash too. You got a little shelf
Pretty
right
cool,
here.
huh?
Yeah, it's neat.
I don't think the radio's working.
It's just got the old original.
Yep. And with the clutch, you just got to let it out a little slower. You know what I mean?
Yep.
When you're going into first, but you were kind of having trouble with it.
I was having a little trouble with it, but I haven't drove too many, you know, the high performance clutches.
Does have a remote mirror too.
Pickup coming.
Gotcha. You gotta have a steady foot, don't
Yeah, you gotta have a steady foot. Damn.
This thing like weighs nothing.
It's awesome.
It's super sweet. Our brakes are awesome on it. It's idling at about 600, 700 RPM. Speedometer works perfect. I bet this thing, when it's warmed up, it really rolls. What do you give it so far?
It's a damn cool car.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
I mean, an absolute show car. I mean, there's no doubt about it. I shifted into second a little fast. I keep forgetting it's a 3-speed.
Yeah.
That was a little loud over the bridge with that echo. It's not bad. We're doing 75 mile an hour, it says right now. Pushing 3,100 RPM. That's with the 3-speed.
Nice.
And it's quiet in here.
It is. It's not. Yeah, it's not that loud.
Yeah, if you want to go ahead and finish the tailpipes out, that would make it even, you know, that much better. But the previous owner, when he built this car, this is how he wanted it to sound.
Oh yeah. Got a nice cackle.
Here's our brakes. No pull left or right. I kind of want to get it on one more time.
You always do.
Well, just because I had kind of a crap shift. I shifted it too soon. Feel pretty good on that clutch.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
That's better.
Way better.
I mean, you want to, you know, with this small block aluminum heads, I was pushing my shift to about 4,800 to 5,000 there.
Yep.
That was a lot better when we were going from first to second in a 3-speed.
Oh yeah. Yeah, what a neat car. Check it out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. We can help with shipping, financing. We can make it yours. But awesome 1972 Mercury Comet GT.